Entering the world of affiliate marketing provides access to a vibrant online business environment where cooperation and profit are combined. Imagine leveraging your love of items to turn your passion into a profitable venture. For newcomers to the digital world, affiliate marketing is an exciting way to get started. It provides a low-risk, high-reward method of monetizing content. We'll solve the puzzles around affiliate marketing in this tutorial, offering advice and practical solutions for beginners. This tutorial seeks to provide novices the knowledge and confidence they need to succeed in the world of affiliate marketing, from grasping the foundations to producing engaging content and increasing traffic. Prepare to turn your internet presence into a lucrative endeavor where your passions provide the source of your revenue. Together, we will explore the fascinating world of affiliate marketing and transform our goals into realities. How affiliate marketing process works. The simple idea behind affiliate marketing is that merchants and affiliates work together. Affiliates use special affiliate links to insert goods and services into their content and promote them. The affiliate receives a commission if a customer clicks on these links and purchases something. Cookies are used in this process to track user behavior and assign sales to the appropriate affiliate. Affiliates use their platforms to drive sales and earn commissions, while merchants gain from tapping into affiliates' wide reach. The affiliate marketing ecosystem is built on this symbiotic relationship, and its success depends on smart alliances and efficient promotion. Finding a niche. Finding a lucrative niche is essential to succeeding with affiliate marketing. Start by matching market demand with your areas of expertise and interest. Examine possible markets, including the needs of the market and the competition. You can target a certain audience with a well-chosen niche, which will increase the relevance and appeal of your material. Examine your interests in great detail and choose specialized subjects that appeal to your target market. You may create the conditions for a successful affiliate marketing business by identifying the sweet spot where your area of expertise and market need meet. Recall that a well-selected niche not only improves your content, but establishes you as a reliable authority in the field of your choice. Building an online presence. Creating a primary hub for your affiliate marketing endeavors, such as a blog or website, is crucial. Select a domain name and platform that are appropriate for your niche. Make sure your website is easy to navigate for visitors by designing it with a clear and simple layout. To draw in and hold the interest of your audience, use captivating imagery and informative text. Become more visible online by setting up accounts on well-known social media networks. Consider the audience for each platform when creating content and make use of tools like hashtags to increase discoverability. Maintaining a consistent brand throughout your website, blog, and social media accounts helps to create a unified presence and increases audience trust. Create a distinctive brand identity to help you stand out in the congested internet market. Establish a distinctive voice, tone, and visual style to build an identifiable and memorable brand. Maintaining consistency in branding builds audience loyalty and credibility. A strong online presence, which includes a well-crafted website, consistent social media activity, and a unique brand identity, is the cornerstone of an effective affiliate marketing campaign. Famous affiliate platforms. Amazon Associates. Through the Amazon Associates affiliate program, affiliates can advertise a wide variety of goods on the e-commerce behemoth's website. Commissions are paid to affiliates depending on sales made via their referral links. Advantages of Amazon Associates include wide range of products, reputable brand, and dependable payment method. ClickBank. ClickBank is a digital product specialist that provides affiliates with a wide range of products, with a particular emphasis on software, ebooks, and online courses. Affiliates receive commissions for every lead or sale they bring in. ClickBank offers a variety of products, high commission rates, and an easy-to-use platform. ShareASal. An affiliate marketing network called ShareASal links affiliates with retailers who provide a range of goods and services. Affiliates get access to a large selection of advertisers and categories. ShareASal offers a variety of affiliate programs, an easy-to-use interface, and real-time data. CG Affiliate, formerly Commission Junction. An international network of advertisers and affiliates are linked by CG Affiliate, an affiliate marketing platform. It provides a large selection of goods and services from reliable manufacturers. It has a vast network of advertisers, robust reporting capabilities, and worldwide exposure. Digistore24. Digistore24 is an online marketplace for digital items that offers a variety of products such as software, ebooks, and online courses. Commissions are paid to affiliates who market and sell digital goods. Benefits include a user-friendly platform, a variety of offerings, and expertise in digital products. Compliance and ethics. In the world of affiliate marketing, ensuring ethics and compliance are crucial. Maintaining openness helps you gain your audience's trust. Observe the law and make sure that all of your promotional material explicitly discloses your affiliate affiliations. Make an effort to be sincere in your recommendations by only supporting goods and services that you firmly believe in. Steer clear of fraudulent or misleading strategies that can damage your reputation. To avoid unintentional infractions, familiarize yourself with local, state, and industry regulations. Review and update your content frequently to reflect any modifications to your partnerships or affiliations. You protect your reputation and uphold the integrity of the affiliate marketing community as a whole when you put compliance and ethics first. This dedication to moral behavior lays the groundwork for a reliable and long-lasting affiliate marketing endeavor, building enduring connections with both your audience and affiliate partners. Joining affiliate programs, examine credible programs in the sector of your choice, taking into account aspects like commission schedules, modes of payment, and the merchant's general standing. Send in submissions that are well thought out and persuasive, highlighting the potential benefits of your platform to the affiliate program. After being approved, acquaint yourself with the terms, conditions, and advertising guidelines of the program. Join several programs to diversify your income sources and increase the size of your portfolio. Evaluate each program's performance on a regular basis and decide which relationships to foster based on audience engagement and conversion rates. Choosing the correct affiliate programs to join increases your earning potential and forges worthwhile alliances that support your long-term success in the fast-paced world of affiliate marketing. Creating quality content. The key to a successful affiliate marketing strategy is producing captivating content that offers your audience real value. Within your niche, adapt your material to suit their requirements, worries, or hobbies. Write interesting reviews, blog posts, or videos that incorporate affiliate links into them without detracting from the final product's quality. Put authenticity first, making sure that any advice you give is genuine and derived from in-depth study or personal experience. By producing instructive content of the highest caliber on a regular basis, you build a devoted following of readers who are willing to take your advice to heart. Include affiliate links in your content in an organic way to prevent coming across as too salesy. Contextual placement improves user experience and boosts conversion rates inside pertinent and useful content. To keep your audience's trust, strike a balance between promotion and insightful content. Investigate various formats, including blog articles, videos, tutorials, and social media postings to diversify your content approach. Taking into account a range of tastes guarantees a wider audience and keeps them interested across several media. To get the most out of your affiliate marketing campaigns, try out several content formats to see which ones your audience responds to the most. With the help of this guide, novices in the ever-changing world of affiliate marketing can now turn their goals into genuine, attainable success. Equipped with an in-depth comprehension of the affiliate marketing procedure, you're ready to set out on an adventure where cooperation and profit meet. A successful business starts with selecting a niche that fits your interests and the needs of your target audience. Creating a strong online presence on social media, a website, or a blog helps you to define your own brand identity. You may increase your reach and diversify your sources of money by signing up for trustworthy affiliate programs. The secret to your success is producing high-quality content that connects with your audience on an authentic level while also skillfully integrating affiliate connections. Accept the path of constant learning, flexibility, and calculated expansion. May this guide be your constant companion as you hone your strategy and become an expert in the ever-changing field of affiliate marketing.